Have you ever wondered how you can boost your credit score without taking on any new debt? Well, today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do that with Credit Karma Builder. Imagine having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips, always available to provide insights and guidance on how to improve your credit score. That's essentially what Credit Karma Builder offers. It's a free online tool that helps you track your credit score, monitor your credit reports, and even find personalized financial products like credit cards and loans. Step 1. Sign up. Let's get started. The first step is to sign up for a Credit Karma account. Head over to creditkarma.com and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and zip code. Step 2. Create a password. Once you've entered your basic information, you'll need to create a strong password to protect your account. Make sure to choose a password that's difficult to guess but easy for you to remember. Step 3. Verify your identity. To ensure the security of your account, Credit Karma will ask you to verify your identity. This usually involves answering a few questions about your financial history, such as the last 4 digits of your social security number or the name of a previous employer. Step 4. Link your credit reports. After verifying your identity, you'll be able to link your credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This is a crucial step because it allows Credit Karma to provide you with accurate and up-to-date information about your credit. Step 5. Explore Credit Karma Builder. Now that you have your account set up, it's time to explore the various features that Credit Karma Builder offers. Here are a few of the most popular ones. Credit Score. Credit Karma provides you with access to your VantageScore 3.0 credit score, which is a widely used credit scoring model. You can see how your score has changed over time and get tips on how to improve it. Credit Reports. Credit Karma allows you to view your credit reports from all 3 major credit bureaus. This is a valuable tool for identifying errors and disputes on your reports. Financial Products. Credit Karma offers personalized recommendations for financial products, such as credit cards and loans. You can compare different offers and find the best deal for your needs. Credit Monitoring. Credit Karma's credit monitoring feature alerts you to any changes in your credit reports, so you can catch potential identity theft or fraudulent activity early. Tips for getting the most out of Credit Karma Builder. Set financial goals. Credit Karma Builder allows you to set financial goals, such as increasing your credit score or paying off debt. This can help you stay motivated and focused. Create a budget. Credit Karma Builder has a built-in budget tracker that can help you track your expenses and income. This can be a valuable tool for staying on top of your finances. Track your progress. Credit Karma Builder provides you with a dashboard that shows your progress towards your financial goals. This can help you stay motivated and celebrate your achievements. Use Credit Karma's educational resources. Credit Karma offers a variety of educational resources, such as articles, videos, and webinars, that can help you learn more about credit and personal finance. Credit Karma Builder is a powerful tool that can help you improve your credit score and achieve your financial goals. By understanding how to use this platform effectively, you can take control of your financial future and build a stronger financial foundation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.